Understanding, don't utter a word, a deep dive into English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, don't utter a word. It's a common expression that carries more depth than you might think at first glance. So, let's dive in and discover its nuances together. The expression, don't utter a word, is made up of a few key components that we need to understand individually. First, don't is a contraction for do not, serving as a directive or command. The word utter means to speak or to make a sound with one's voice. Finally, a word refers to any spoken sound or group of sounds that is understood to convey meaning. When combined, this phrase is a strict instruction not to say anything at all. This phrase is often used in situations where silence is crucial. This could be for maintaining secrecy, avoiding alerting someone, or when someone is in a situation where speaking could have negative consequences. It's a powerful way to convey the importance of remaining completely silent. For example, in a movie scene where characters must hide to avoid detection, one might say to the other, "Don't utter a word," to emphasize the need for silence. There are several variations and similar expressions to don't utter a word. Phrases like keep silent, not a peep, and say nothing all convey a similar message but can vary slightly in their intensity and context. Understanding these nuances can help English language learners grasp the subtleties of communication in different scenarios. To fully grasp the use of don't utter a word, it's helpful to practice with real-life scenarios. Imagine you're in a library where silence is required, or you're planning a surprise party and need to keep it a secret. How would you use this phrase effectively? Role-playing these situations or writing them down can enhance your understanding and ability to use the expression correctly. We hope this deep dive into the phrase, don't utter a word, has been enlightening. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring the layers of meaning behind expressions and how they're used in everyday communication. Stay curious, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or topics you'd love to explore further. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.